All right, this is really important because I'm getting you set up with your reading log that you will continue throughout the year. So make sure you are paying attention. First of all, get out your reading notebook, reading and social studies notebook. So that's the first thing to do. Get that out. Then notice I added a post-it note titled Read a Log. I went to my notes. I went halfway between my notes and social studies and put the reading log. There's no magic amount of pages. Just go halfway between the notes and your social studies tabs and add a reading log one. If you want to do this at school, you can wait and do it at school. Okay, then you're going to go after the page after the reading log. After the reading log, each week. Now this is different than what I explained at the Google Meet. I realized 5 is probably a lot of entries to do. We're going to do 3. So you're going to put number 1. This is your first entry of the week, and you might do it on Monday, October 26th. And notice you put how many minutes you read. And then you start with your summary. And I started mine out today. I started a new chapter book called Towers Falling. In the first chapter, we were introduced to the characters Deja, Ben, and Sabine. Oh, and then are the main characters. I probably want to cut that out. Deja and Ben are new to the school, and Sabine becomes friends with them. That's the summary for today for my 30 minutes. So that was the first one. You need to do 2 more for the week. And then put how many minutes you read and continue on with the chapter book. I want you to continue. I don't want you to start a new chapter book every day. I want it to be continued, okay? So 3 for the week. Every week you will have 3 entries. This helps with your comprehension, and it also helps with your writing skills. All right, get it all set up. See you. I will check these in and give you a grade when you have your English day. When you show me your notebooks, I will look at your reading log and give you a score out of 3. If you have 3 entries, you get 3 points. If you have 1 entry, you get 1 point. If you didn't do it, you get 0 points, and you will need to make up that time somehow. All right? Good luck.